What's up, everybody? Tactical here, and today I'm going to show you a very useful tip. And this is something I discovered on my own when I'm one of these people. I don't really like to read the instruction manual for anything. That includes software. And so the other day, well, I take that back. I did watch a YouTube video, but I discovered this extract thing myself. But anyways, one thing that a lot of people like is transcriptions and captions in their video because not everybody can play sound and some people can't hear. But anyway, so I discovered this last night. What it'll do, I'm going to show you how it's going to get rid of the ums. It's going to get rid of the silences in your videos, and it'll even close the gap for you as opposed to you going in manually and having to cut it out yourself and then drag it back to close the gap that you just created. And I mean, it's incredible. So yeah, let's get started here. All right, everybody, I'm going to show you. First of all, this is my mic right here, so that's why you can't see my mouth. But anyways, so what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you exactly how this is one of my older videos, and man, I wish I had known this before. It would have saved. It would have made my videos so much more professional and good looking. I mean, not just good looking, but more professional. You got rid of the ums, just no wasted time, and just yeah. So this is what you're gonna do. So you're gonna first you're gonna go to the transcribe button here, and you're gonna transcribe, both clips. It's gonna take a minute. One thing I have noticed is there is a lot of there's an and thankfully we'll be getting rid of that. Okay, all right. I think it is done. All right. So you may already know this, but for those that do not and are new, and those that are new like me, yeah, this is gonna be very helpful to you. All right, there we go. All right, so here we go. All you have to do is, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the transcribe. You're going to, transcribe just like I showed you. But then see these dot buttons. That's basically showing you that's dead space, that nobody's talking, nothing is going on. So obviously you don't want any of that in your videos. So what you're going to do, you're going to see that one says 8.5 seconds. So that's 8.5 seconds wasted that viewers, could care less about. So yeah, we're going to click that and see right here, it shows us the exact thing. And see, watch, we can even play it by pressing the space bar. See, absolutely dead silence. So what we're going to do, all right, so we click that. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to hit the extract. Bam. Then that's gone. So that gets rid of that. Then here's yet another one. This is 0.8 seconds. See, it highlights it automatically for you. See that gray area? See, I just played it and it just sounded like a bunch of just craziness. Yeah, so all you gotta do, you gotta just press extract that too. And see, what I like about extract is when you press that, it closes the gap for you. It saves so much time, it's not even funny. Look, here's another one, 9.6 seconds. That's absurd. And then, okay, so let's say you wanted to press lift and instead of the extract button next to it. Look, the lift leaves the whole gap in it. So anyways, we're going to undo that. But yeah, see 9.6 seconds. And see, if you look at the sound, you can tell there's nothing going on. And so we're going to do extract. Yep, and that closes that for you. What's up, everybody? Tactical here, and today I'm going to see it's already smoother. Yep, I know that's going to be a dip in the sound right there. All right, let's see. Okay, where's another dot? All right, here's another 1.9. That's not long, but it adds up. See, I said So what I'm going to do, you can also press the parentheses button, the one next to the colon. It'll extract that as well. So I'm going to just start doing that. And then, yep, I'm going to go to the next one. Yep, there's nothing going on there. See, we can even play it to double check. See, I'm just taking a long breath. So, bam, press that again, get rid of that. All right, here's another one, 5.1 seconds. Guys, if I had known this in the beginning, that would have saved me hours. I mean, this software is incredible. But all right, so there's that. I'm going to extract it by pressing the is basically the button to the left of return on your keyboard. So bam, that's gone. What's up, everyone? Tactical here, and today, I went into. Oh, see, I must have 2 copies of this, but anyways, y'all are getting the drift here. Let's see. Yeah, let me get rid of that. All right, there's another one. See, dead silence, and yep. Get rid of that. And it gets rid of the video too, so you don't have to, like, if we were to do this the long way, I mean, watch, I'd have to get out the cut tool, then I'd have to cut it there, then I'd have to press V, and select it that way. I mean, it would take forever. This saves so much time, it's not even funny. All right, so I'm going to extract that. All right, and here's another one. There's another one. Yeah, so guys, I hope you can, see this right here. Yeah, there's yet another one. See, that's a gap. Let's see what it sounds like. Yep, just dead silence. And yeah, I'm just pressing that, parentheses. I mean, not parentheses, but the button, the apostrophe button. That's what I'm trying to say. My fault, y'all. Here's another one. Yeah, see, when you hover over it, look, it says 3 seconds. That's a lot of dead space, guys. And I mean, as you know, if you're not new, YouTube viewers, they do not have time. I mean, they are not very patient. I know I'm not. Like, if I'm interested in a video, I'm willing to give it about 5 minutes total. When you like Google something and then it's saying like 30-minute video, I mean, give me a break. I mean, that's just absurd. I got rid of that. Yep, here's another one, 2.6, 2.4, 3.6, 0.9. So yeah, guys, definitely, I mean, if you want to click, I'm trying to get a long one. See, that's just dead space right there. I mean, if you want to, you can press the extract button and see that's to the next to it, it has the apostrophe button. I mean, you can press that or you do the lift. Honestly, I wouldn't understand why you would do the lift, but I mean, that's just me. See, this just does everything for you. Just press the apostrophe. Agree 15 seconds. All right, so you'll get the drift. All right, let's just see what my video sounds like now. It's just going to sound so much better. I was wondering why I wasn't getting many views, and hey, I mean, this this could be why, but all right, check this out. Y'all ready? Hopefully you can, let's see. Should be able to hear it. Hopefully you can tell. I mean, it just flows so much better. It gets rid of the ums. I haven't heard an yet. And I mean, it is just lightning fast, saves so much time, and it's great. Yeah, the next thing you can do is you can add captions. So you just create captions from this. Like once you've gotten rid of all of the dead spaces and the ums, you can just create captions. I'll show you real fast. And there you go. And then you can adjust that. And I can make that another video if you need me to, but. Yeah, so that's that. I hope that helped y'all out, man. Once I discovered that, I was like, wow, I will start making more videos because, I mean, it was becoming a pain. So, anyways, guys, hope that helped you out. And, yeah, please be sure to like and subscribe. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good one.